The world has changed, how we all work has changed, how we learn these days has changed, and yet if you look at classrooms over the last 150 years, many of them haven't really changed very much at all.
Desks in rows all facing the front of the classroom, which really doesn't align with our modern understanding of learning environments and what learners need. We're here to change that.
What we're doing at Pinnacle is designing and delivering learning spaces that transform the experience of students and educators. Education these days isn't so much about what we know, it's about what we do with what we know.
Teaching spaces are absolutely fundamental in terms of a teacher being able to unlock and unleash a student's potential.
We don't start with drawings, we start with people. Students, teachers, leaders in the schools.
They're the people that are going to be using this environment. They're the experts in how it's going to be used and what they want to get out of it. For us to take that time at the start of a project to really understand that helps us relate to them and ensure that we hit those key points as we develop the design. There are lots of elements such as acoustics and lighting that have an impact on an environment. If you're not comfortable in your environment, you're going to be distracted. No one says, wow, great acoustics, but they feel calmer and they learn better.
A really key benefit of bringing educators and students on the journey is they can really see themselves in the final space, and that guarantees better outcomes.
Our work with Pinnacle has been absolutely key in order for us to achieve our vision.
My number one favourite would have to be the physics labs.
I remember coming here for an open day, and I remember looking in the labs. I felt like a real scientist.
One of the most rewarding aspects of what we do is walking into learning spaces that you've designed, delivered, and they're in use.
A teacher saw their new classroom for the first time, and they walk into this new room and almost they're a bit childlike themselves as the excitement of all these new possibilities and all the new features. When you see that reaction, you know you've got it right.
What Pinnacle have done for us and for our students really works.